Hi everyone, my name is XinZhang, and I will talk about the design and architecture. For the architecture part, we were using the responsive web application and the model view controller. And from the front end part, we will design using the code like HTML and CSS and JavaScript. And for the back end, we're using the C# code. And for the database, we were using Postgres. For the next part, we will talking about the front end and then the back end. For the in the software engineering, the term front end and the back end refers to the separation of concerns between the presentation layout and the data access layout is the back end of a piece of software or the physical infrastructure or hardware. For our project, the client server module, the client is usually considered the front end and the server is usually considered the back end, even when some presentation work is actually done on the server. Generally speaking, we will use the HTML and the CSS and the JavaScript to build front end and the C# to build back end in our project. And for the database part, we will use the Postgres. Often we simply call the Postgres. It's an relational database. As the database server, its primary function are to store data securely and return that data in response to requests from other software applications. It can handle workloads ranging from small single machine application to large internet-facing application, or for data warehousing with many current users. In our project, we will mainly use the Postgres to handle with our database. And the next part, we're talking about dependency injection. And dependency injection is a technical whereby one object supplies to the dependencies of another object. It will pass in dependency into code by property setter or constructor. The benefits of using dependency injection is that it can greatly simplify testing. Also, it benefits to resource sharing because there may be a large number of people using the same resource which can be shared. This graph will be is an example of difference between lookup and the dependency injection. So that's my